Let's be real, guys. No matter how much money you've made in the NFT space, buying and selling, minting and holding, it doesn't matter as long as you don't know how to protect and preserve your funds and your assets. So in this quick video, I'm going to teach you how you can become hacker proof and how you can protect your funds and keep those gains that you actually made instead of having someone just steal them away from you and have them go away. Many people often overlook this part in succeeding in NFTs, but truth be told, if you make 1,000 ETH and you just lose them the next day because you clicked on a bad link, well, it's all for nothing. So for that reason, this is going to be a very important video. And in a few minutes from now, after this video is done, I guarantee you guys are going to be hacker proof and you're going to sleep so much better at night. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Alot and welcome to the channel. Before we begin, guys, I would really appreciate it if you can like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell just so you don't miss any new videos. Now, let's keep this short and sweet. The tips I'm going to give you are going to be in ascending order when it comes to safety. So the first one is probably the least safe, and the last one is going to be the extremely safe, which no one can steal anything from you, or you can't lose your funds at all unless you act stupidly. But stupidly a word? Anyway, so let's start with the first way, and that is make sure you only click on links from trusted sources. So here's what happens, guys. When you join the Discord server, you get tons of DMs from people saying Mint is now live, especially for very hype projects such as Hype Beast, Hype Bears, Goonies Gang, whatever, Invisible Friends. I just go on for Invisible Friends. So the way to avoid this is, number one, you go to settings on your Discord. I'll show you how. You go to settings, you go to privacy and safety, and then you would uncheck this. This is usually green like that, so you just turn it off, and this would just turn off the DMs from all servers unless you click on the server and you uncheck this button and say allow direct messages from server members of this specific server. That's number one. Number two is, even if your DMs are open, just don't click on any links unless it's from a trusted source. So for example, if you want to mint Invisible Friends, I'm using this because it's at the top of my head, you only click links that are in Invisible Friends announcements tab or in official links tab. Other than that, don't click on any other links, because it's always better to assume that they're scams than not to, because you never know what happens and it would suck to lose your funds. The second thing you must be doing to protect your funds and your NFTs is by always looking at what you're signing. So when you want to mint or send funds or anything, say you get your link from a trusted site and you decide you want to mint. So you click on mint and you have to read what you're seeing right here. You see contract interaction and you see that there's a gas fee of $100. Usually, if you see something like transfer, you need to reject and run away. So before confirming, always take a look at what you're signing. And before that, when you want to connect your wallet, you have to actually read what you're signing, because many times you can see some red flags and then you decide you don't want to sign. Probably would be the best case scenario. Now, this brings me on to my third point. Let's say you already connected to a website and you think it's too late and it's the end of the world because you already signed. But if you didn't interact with the contract and you didn't lose anything or pay anything, you should be fine, because what you can do is, after you've connected, you just click on account options, you click on connected sites, and you can see all these that I'm connected to. And all you have to do is, let's say I want to disconnect from ic.tools, or let's say external extension. I just click on this and disconnect, and you should be good to go. And what I do recommend you do is always, no matter what website it is, after you mint or after you get what you want from the website that you connected to, always go to MetaMask and click on disconnect. It's very easy. It takes an extra 2 seconds to be done, and it'll save you a lot of trouble in the long run, especially if you connected to a website that's fishy and you didn't know until it was too late. Basically, every time after you're done, just disconnect from every website you've connected to and you should be good to go. Now, the fourth way, and this probably helps me sleep the best at night, is using a burner wallet. What a burner wallet is just an extra wallet that you have that you use, and you just mint everything and sign everything on it. This is extremely important for degens like me, because I've been through a lot of free mints and a lot of the websites looked very sketchy, but I just went for it and didn't think twice. And the reason I was able to do that is because I have a burner wallet. Now, the way you can create a burner wallet, I'm going to teach you this very quickly. It's very easy. If you take a look at my MetaMask, I have account 1, account 2, account 3, etc. You can create as many accounts as you want. And I'm going to probably blur these out in post. But anyway, so when you click on create account right here, it shows you a new account, and all you do is you can name it whatever you want. You can name it 1, 2, 3, and just hit create, and you'll have an extra account. So whenever you want to mint from your other account, you just click on the top right circle right here, and you change to your second account, such as this one, and then this is the one that you should connect to whatever website you're connecting. Then you can mint whatever you want, but it's definitely better to read what you sign and actually have a website that is safe. Even if you funded the wallet with 0.2 ETH, this is still about $600, and it would suck if you lose $600. And last way you can become hacker proof is by using something like this. This is a Ledger Nano, and what you do is you can store all your funds on this. Not on this, it's on the blockchain, but this is just the key to open it. If you have no idea what that is, there's plenty of videos on YouTube. I even have some videos on my channel where I explain it. However, when you store your funds on this or on the blockchain, they are 100% safe unless you are reckless enough to lose your private keys, which are the password basically to your funds. Other than that, this way you cannot lose your funds unless you connect this somewhere sketchy. Then probably there's a potential that they can steal your funds. However, if you keep this offline completely, you should be fine. And if you want to sell something, you can just send it to your other wallet and then link, or your MetaMask, and just link it from there. So these are 5 ways I think that are very important for everyone to know about. These are things I learned from experience, so I just compressed them into one full video for you guys. This video should be fairly short, so I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. As I said, very important to preserve your funds, because no matter how much ETH you make, if you don't know how to keep them or store them somewhere safe, they could be gone any day. And this would definitely suck, because it takes a lot of work, even though some people make it seem that it's very easy to make money with NFTs. While it kind of is sometimes, at the same time, it can be very easy to lose it all. As they say, easy come, easy go. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new here. And don't forget to join the Discord. The link is in the description. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.